Hello everybody, it's Rich220, and sad news to report, everything is a bust. Not only do we have timing issues, but we also have no compression in the cylinder next to the first one in the 57 Chevy. Now that could be for many reasons. It could be a bent valve. It could be that the head gasket didn't seat right. Let's see if I can get this thing open. Hey, and a lot of water dripping in there. Isn't that wonderful? Okay. I'm not going to take the valve cover off right now because there's oil or water dripping in there, but I tested the number 2 cylinder on this side here, and there's nothing. The needle didn't even budge. Now, it could be because of the actual compression tester. It does have a rubber tip on the end of it. But before I go any further and go ripping everything apart once again, because that is one of the pistons that I put in with rings, new rings, and the opening on the rings are in different directions. They're not in the same spot. So I don't know what the word is. I can't remember what it is, shuffled or scattered or whatever it is. They're not in the same direction. They're all turned at least a quarter turn away from each other before the piston was actually dropped in. So, that being said, if it's not raining, which it's doing right now, you can see because of the fender on the car, I'm going to test all the other ones once again. Now, they did have compression, so I don't know what the hell happened. And I have an oil leak towards the front of the car. Like there's a hole in the oil pan or something, or maybe there's a crack in the engine block. I have no idea. I have to take a better look. Anything could be the issue at this point. And right now, I don't have the and I don't have any reason right now to sit there and bust my butt on this again. I did everything that was supposed to be done correctly. A lot of people are saying I don't, but they have their own methods. Everybody has their own methods. This time, if I have to take this thing apart, well, we'll take everything apart from underneath, including the crank on the bottom. I'm going to leave the cam in. I'm going to remove all the lifters, put new ones in, everything else. But this is going to be a long process, and it's going to take a lot of money and a lot of time and a lot of hard labor. So, you know, I'm not going to be posting videos for 1 minute and 30 seconds anymore. I'm done with that. I thought this was going to work. I thought it would have ran. It sounds fine. It's not cranking with any dead spots or anything like that, but ultimately you can see where I keep my tools. They're all right in here, underneath wires and everything else. Even my torque wrench is right there. But, you know, it's just, it's a big job. And at this point, you know, it's like doing it twice. And that's not something I'm really looking forward to, but in order to get this thing running, if it doesn't have an engine block crack, then things should be fine. But it's going to take a while, like I said, to get everything done. I'm not bum rushing it. Everybody's trying to rush me through this. I don't want to do that no more, because this is what happens. Something doesn't go right, and then everything gets screwed up. So that'll be the end of that for now. I'm not getting rid of the car because it's mine. I will, however, be taking my sweet-ass time doing this the next time around, because I'm not going through this again. So, yep. She's not going anywhere. She's staying right here. And if I have to keep you guys entertained, we also have this car right here, which I could work on. As you can see, it's not in the same place it was. It's now in a different place. So, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I've got a lot of things to do, so I have a very busy day every day of the week. I work about 11, 12 hours a day. I put on the vehicle about 300 miles a day, so that's one of the reasons why I really don't have much energy. Plus, I got a lot of other things to do. Owning a house, cleaning it, maintaining it, you know, trying to keep the township off of you, you know, from doing their part to make your life miserable. And, you know, stuff like that. So, I hope you enjoy this short, and it's just an informatory way of telling you guys that doing the engine was an epic fail. And I'm not afraid to admit it when I'm wrong, or when it's wrong, or whatever, and it's not working. I'm not going to sit there and hide the fact. That's all there is to it. So it's got to be redone over again. And this time I'm taking my sweet time doing it. I'm not rushing into anything because there's no reason to. So, all right. Well, like and subscribe as usual. Ring the bell for post notifications, and leave a comment down below. Like I said, donations are welcome. Leave a comment and I'll get back to you ASAP. Okay, everybody. Have a good day. Bye. See you in the next one.